Welcome back, everyone. D-Man behind the camera. Today I have 3 EDC gadgets that I would like to share with you. First item is this Olight pen, mini bolt action pen. Here's the official name, OD Green. Let's get into it. Okay, nothing in a box. What's this over here? Just some warning labels. If you want to pause, read it real quick. First impressions, very light, small. Oh, check that out. That must be magnetic, right? Let's see. No, it's not magnetic. Not sure what that's all about. Let's see this bolt in action here. All right, wait a minute. I just twisted this. Okay. Not bad. I thought this was supposed to be a flashlight. It is a light. Now, where's the light? Oh, Olight, O-Pen. No, it's not a light. Wow, I was confused. So, there you have it. Olight, O-Pen Mini. One-hand operation. It's a little hard to do. Let's see how she writes. I think I need to take this out. Yeah, there's like a little cap here. Yeah. Okay. Not bad. Does the job. I like. Okay. So yeah, I think this is a certified winner. Let's take it apart though. Check it out real quick. Here's your spring. I hope that these are refillable. It says ballpoint refill. Okay. Wow, the spring is on there too. Very snug fit on that spring around that chamber. Going into the pen here. See-through construction. Pretty cool design. Not sure what this is made out of. I highly doubt it's titanium. It's probably aluminum. And there's the cap. Yeah, not sure what's going on with this thing. Am I missing something? Is it supposed to look like a bullet? Who knows? Anyways, I gotta clean that up a little bit at that point. But yeah, it does the job. That's it. Nice and small. Great for your EDC carry. So, not a bad little pen. I paid $12.95 before taxes and before shipping. And certified winner right here. Alright, next item. You can scan that if you want. Rah. LCFUN. Pretty nice box, I'll tell you that much. Okay, the typical instructions and card. You can file that off to the side. And there we have it. I have the unit. Accessories below. Oh, it's a good thing they put that sticker there, right? Oh, there we go. All kinds of things, yeah. So I guess it's like a carrying lanyard for it. How would you use that? Oh, okay. Over here, off to the side. Let me open this up real quick. Let's see how this works. Oh, it's a whistle. That's all that is. That's a whistle. Let's see how the whistle sounds. Okay, hey, shout out to the whistle. Oh, here we go. That's how you carry it. Don't mind the dog. She'll quiet down here in a second. Okay, I think spoke too soon. Are you good? Okay. Oh, this dog is trolling me right now. Okay, anyways, so yeah, you put it here. And then you have that. But anyways, that's that. USB to Type-C for charging. Okay. Get this out of here. And the lighter itself, see-through. I believe that's a light. We'll get into it. I paid $15.99 out the door without shipping. See how this works. Pull that down, push, and it doesn't go up. What's going on? Why is this? Okay, it was stuck there for a second. It's weird. I guess that lights up. What does this do? Nothing there. All right, there's the charging port. You got 4. Not sure the name of these things. Yeah, we'll say coils. It's got to be coils, right? Oh yeah, there we go. That's nice. Let me turn off this light. See how that looks in the dark. That's very nice. All right, turns different colors. Interesting. The longer you hold, goes through all kinds of colors. I wonder what this does. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Double click? Yeah, it's probably not even something. I don't know what that is. Oh, okay. Wait a minute. I do know. There's a button over here. You guys didn't tell me. Let me press it. Oh, there we go. That is pretty cool. That is pretty wild. I like it. And I guess it stays on when you have that opened. Turn this back on. Yeah, that's not bad. So let's see how. Oh yeah, that's nice. Turn these lights back on. Yeah, she's a certified winner from what I can see. I think she's waterproof. Let's go ahead and test her out. See if she is. That is nice. Let's see if she burns a piece of paper. Let's see if she can burn this. Oh yeah. Hey, shout out to the indoor fire. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Put that up. Yeah. Cool. As you saw, she's a certified winner. On to the next product. Here we go. All right, last item. Long box here. It's from SOG. It's called Terminus XR Lite, and it's a knife. If you like to pause and read that, I got this on sale. Usually it goes for $139.95, but I ended up paying $102.98 without shipping. You can pause the video, read that as well. Let's open her up. I guess I can open it this way, right? It has a slide up down here. I want to see if I can open it up here. Maybe, maybe not. What's going on here? Some kind of insert. Yeah, I don't think I can do that. I'll have to open it the right way. Cut here. It even says cut here. All right. That's how you do it. And of course, it's not coming out. Oh, because I got to cut down here as well. Wow. They're really trolling me on this video. Here we go. Okay, there's a knife. What do we have here? Your typical information. Okay, how's this going to come out? Man, this packaging is tough. Take that out. Let's see. First impressions, man, this is a very light knife. Wow. I don't like that pocket clip off to the side. If you've seen any of my videos, I like that centered. But we'll give it a chance, see if it's alright. It's actually an easy modification to do that I can see here, if I wanted to do that. This blade here, wow, it says China. And you know what? They tricked me. I did not see that. That was not advertised. But hey, whatever. I only bought it because of the CPM S35VN steel, which I'm hoping it is. Let's see this block here. Yeah, not bad. Scented. We like to see our knives scented. Good flip on it. Was it assisted? No. Okay, what do we have here? In here, I think it's ball bearings. I'm gonna use this light here. What do we have here? I want to say they're ball bearings. Yep, confirmation. They are ball bearings. Yep. Okay. Let's see how well it locks. Okay, that's good. And oh man, I got a phone call. Let me answer that. Get right back to this video. All right, back into the video. Nothing like a nice phone call to break up the video. But anyways, it seems like it's a nice knife. I don't like that it's made in China. I thought this was an American knife. Kind of disappointed with that, but it is what it is. Hey, I've seen some good Chinese knives. Not too bad. You have two options here. You have a thumb stud deployment, or you can do the flipper. It does its job. We all want to see the knife cut. Let's do a quick cutting test. Should be sharp, right? Yeah. Oh yeah. This thing is very, very nice. That's a nice edge. I'm looking at the grind. Yeah, very nice. Whoever did the grind on this, they did an awesome job. Very, very nice. A couple other things. So the back spacer here seems to be G10. So the scales, they're real carbon fiber. Okay. You got the standard hardware pivot screw. You see this pivot screw on many knives. The downfall with this type of pivot barrel is that you have to use a T6 on each side to either loosen or tighten. The grip on these ridges here, this jimping, it's very aggressive. The thumb stud, nice grip on that. This lock bar here is pretty good. Also, I've noticed inside you have some milling that they did on the scales. So I see what they did. They used one layer for the liner of a G10 carbon fiber, and then they slapped on another layer up top. And that's why you can see, if you look closely in there, see where all that oil is, you can see the other layer of the G10. And I actually like this grip here, what they did with the lines. It does feel pretty good in the hand. Yeah, it's not bad. Not a bad knife. It's a little stiff, but I can adjust that. It's not that bad, actually. It'll break in pretty good. I always have a bad habit going for the liner lock or frame lock release, you know, a lock bar. But yeah, how's that pocket clip? Pocket clip seems pretty good. I think this pocket clip will do the job. Just wish that this pocket clip here would bend up just slightly. That would be nice. What else can I say about it? I think I went through everything. If I'm forgetting anything, do let me know. So that's it for the 3 items. 3 lovely items to EDC. Thanks for watching. Take care.